everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Please click on the bell icon. You will get all the notification of my new videos, and let's get started. Today I'm going to share with you very tasty and delicious black tiger shrimp recipe. These black tiger shrimps has a shell on, tail on, and these are deveined. These are clean shrimp. If you're not fond of the shell, you always can take the shell off. I'll show you the both ways how you can do it. You can remove the shell and you can keep the tail. That you can do it like this. So you can keep it this way. So once we're going to deep fry, they're going to be very tasty and very delicious. And this is going to be my version of doing it. I have taken 2 eggs. We're going to beat them well. The spices from masala dabba. We're going to use the coconut powder for the coating, all-purpose flour, salt, black pepper, red chili flake, and cumin powder and parsley flake. Combine it well. Once all the spices are nicely combined with all-purpose flour, which we call it maida, we're going to beat the eggs really well. Once the egg is nicely beaten, this is all we need. Now get the black tiger shrimp. So we're going to coat them with all-purpose flour. Then we're going to put it into egg wash. Turn it around, and now we're going to do it one more time. With the help of second fork, you lift it and put it into the plate. We will do the same thing. I'm going to keep continuing doing this, and I will show you a couple more. The next step will be, we're going to give them egg wash again. That's going to give a nice coating with the all-purpose flour. And now we're going to put this one into the coconut powder. We're going to turn it over, and this is going to give a nice coating. Look at this. How delicious, nice coating of coconut powder. So we're going to do the same step. Put it into egg wash again. Shake extra, then put it into the coconut powder. Shake up the extra. I'll finish up doing the same way. One thing I like to share with you that if you are not fond of coconut powder and also don't like shell on, you can do it also this way. As I shown you how to remove the shell, I have removed these shells. Once you remove the shell, you can do the coating like this. It's all coated, and now we're going to put it into the egg wash. So these shrimps going to be without the coconut, no tail, no shell. Shake extra egg. This is going to be one coating. We're going to do the double coating, and the shrimp's going to be really tasty. This is the second time coating, and as you can see, this is the first time coating without the egg wash, and this will be the second time coating. Look at the texture, and we're going to deep fry them. The oil is heated up. We're going to deep fry shrimp and keep the gas on medium. So within 1 minute of frying, turn these over. The gas on medium because the coconut tends to burn real fast. As you can see, they start looking really good. So within 2 minutes, our deep fry shrimp is all ready. I have a plate ready and with paper towel on it, so we'll soak up any extra oil. Look at how delicious these are looking. So these are the coconut shrimp. Let me share with you. So this is the coconut. And now I'm going to show you the second one. So it's a good idea to scoop out all the burnt coconut. So we're going to place these. Cooking for 1 minute. Now we're going to turn these over. You don't want to cook too long, then they become chewy. Then they don't taste well. Another minute of cooking. The shrimps are done. I have a plate ready and the paper towel on it, and they will soak up all the extra oil. These are super delicious. Try it both ways, as I shown you, with the coconut coating and without coconut. This is with all-purpose flour. This is the next batch, and I will cook it the same way. These fried shrimps are very easy to make, as you've seen it. They are super tasty and super delicious. If you are a seafood lover, this is the best appetizer. Please try it and you're going to like it. And I have shown you two ways of doing it. If you like this recipe, like always, like, share and subscribe. Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.